Hello DIY camper builders. I have a short video about bending aluminum molding today. This is part of my camper repair, so I'm not bending a brand new piece, but the process is the same. The piece I'm working on is an aluminum molding that covers the bottom of the wall from backup tire to the sill of the galley hatch. As you can see, when I removed this piece, I bent the molding out and now it doesn't fit anymore. If I try to bend it forcefully, I'll kink the lip of the molding and I'll end up with a bigger problem. First thing you do is to make a jig that follows your radius here, and then the key is to make it a little bit tighter radius than your actual the radius that you want to bend. And make sure you drill many holes for your clamps. Okay, so this is where the fun part begins, and what you do is find out where you want to bend and take your Sharpie and just put mark and just put much ink on the area that you want to bend and just cover it. And I'm using orange. I've done it with the red, blue, black, so I don't think it makes any difference. I'm using Matte Pro torch, but I think the propane will work as well. And all you do is just heat the area where you made the mark with Sharpie and just continue to heat it up till that ink will disappear. Supposedly, annealing temperature of aluminum and the temperature of Sharpie ink burning off are the same, and this can be used as an indicator to know how long to heat aluminum. Once the Sharpie ink is gone, the molding should be soft enough to bend. All you need to do at this point is start from one end and clamp, bend, repeat that till you get to the other end. Now, one thing I forgot to mention, is to make sure you wear gloves, and this should be something a little bit heavy duty than just your regular working glove, because aluminum gets very, very hot. You can see a small kink there, but it can easily be removed by lightly tapping with a hammer when it is soft. Once you are satisfied with the shape, it is ready to be installed. So these are two types of molding I used. Base is what I just bent, and those are mostly used at the base of walls. And roof is used where roofs meet the walls. And each molding has about 1/2 inch lip.